I love the way you smile. I love your gentle touch. And I love your kisses so very, very much. I love the way you look at me. I love to hear you laugh. I love it, I'm so proud of my gorgeous southern half.
So with chord transitions, a great way to learn these and have fun while practicing is to learn songs that involve the chords that we are trying to use. When we're just starting out, we don't want to confuse ourselves by focusing on what the right hand is doing and what the left hand is doing. So for now, all I recommend to do is 4 downstrokes with the right hand before swapping chords. So what I mean by that is, if we're going to swap from G to A minor, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then swap. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first chord progression we're going to look at, I just showed you half of it, is going to be G to A minor to C back to G. So there's a half of it is going to be G to A minor to C back to G.
I love your gentle touch, and I love your kisses very, very much. I love the way you look at me. I love it, I'm so proud of my gorgeous southern half. I love the way you cheer me up when you find me with a frown.
G major to A minor.
Life has got me down. I love you for your patience, plus your honesty. Most of all, I love you for the way that you love me. That's why I love you. tree.